Kartel, go suck back for your mama. Suck back for your mama, Kartel. You can't tell man to suck their man about nobody. Go suck your mama. Suck your mama, Teresa Wilson Palmer. Suck your mama. Brawling. Next thing to
Alkaline topped the reggae iTunes chart and also doing well on Apple Music.
Alkaline headlined the Barclays Festival on Saturday, March.
Skipper had a response to what Joe had to say last week, but Joe asked a question. Can dancehall new wave acts sell tickets despite their streams on topping YouTube charts in Jamaica?
If they can't, who will? Skipper has the...
So obviously, the brother here is not a fan of Vybz Kartel. Me see my burn a fire. Me see my burn a torch. Him think Kartel nah be a good role model, and him just want to show off with him money, in care, and him things them. I want to tell the people them for SY them mother, and nobody can tell him the same. So what him a do? Him a make a stand. Him a lick out. Pause. But when me I say, brother, is it worth it? Me not sure if you know Kartel personally. So how you make a man a dry out on the internet with what him post or what him say? You have to remember say some of them guys are fan a head chip and them rush in a real life for this thing artist. So as I said before, is it worth it and what you gain from it? Don't make the man them dry out youth. You have to remember say a man have in possession, him free to post anything where him want, or him work feet, a fee moon. As what they say, the internet is not not a real place.
Kartel, stop beating an artist. Vybz Kartel, me not stop beating bad, so no matter when a pussy say. Remember, none of you can see me and run up on me. I'm tired for prove what I want wrong. What I Gaza Sprat Camp, me prove the Gaza Sprat Camp wrong. None of you can step to me. Remember, me they all bout I want to see me in a real bomb buckler like. Me take out this so you can see my face. Identify me. You want to see me in a real life, none of you can step to me. Just lock that in your head, that's a code. But tell me I say now, me tell me know say the Gaza Sprat Camp, Spratel is just a sprat that him is. Spratel is an old man, Spratel for you uplift for you them and I tell him positive things. No, this ain't ever tell him about. Ever a boast pan when have I might tell the man say go suck them mother. Vybz Spratel, go suck back for your mama. Suck back for your mama, Spratel. You can't tell man to suck them mother but nobody. Go suck your mama. Suck your mama, Teresa Wilson Palmer. Suck your mama. Brawling. Next thing to Spratel. We don't want to hear you come and tell people about mind a business suck your mother. You're old boy, we don't want to hear nothing from you.
So Anthony Miller have a sit down with J.R. Watkins. He is a music marketer. So the man know about music and the man know about the music business. And he makes some valid point about Alkaline and Skipper. Yo, make Joe go one side here, man. Joe have to remember say the veteran artists were once new. What if nobody never give them the platform or the opportunity? They would have become veteran artists, you know? And him can't say the man them now have no pulling power. Cause the man them music has stream, the man them music has sell, and the man them stage show get sold out. So what am I talk about? Man them are going like if them not go up on some fest, them are go dead. Yo, make Joe go one side, man. Uno put on a own show if the man no want book on. So you know see what Alkaline do? The man no wait for nobody. The man put on his show in a big venue in a foreign and sold out. So you know a new artist and you have the following. We wanna wait for the next man for. And enough man may come out and a ball out, you know. So the man they not like even pay a heap of money either, you know. So you going to make more money for yourself more than way him that pay, you know. So yo, if a man no want a heater and table, bring your own a table. If a man no want open a door for you, you build your own a door. You get a drift. And if a man no want sharing platform, what you do? You create your own a platform and so on and so on. And
Alkaline topped the reggae iTunes chart and also doing well on Apple Music.
Alkaline headlined the Barclays Festival on Saturday, March 21st. He is the youngest dancehall artist to achieve that feat. He followed in the footsteps of Buju Banton, who first headlined for his Overcomer tour in November 2024. Vybz Kartel at Reggae Fest, the same event Alkaline headlined. He headlined first in April, back-to-back shows. Vybz Kartel again performed at the Barclays in August last year. Bounty Killer did his comeback show with Massacre and Movado in July. So dancehall is platforming, and Alkaline just got his piece of the pie. Alkaline did what every great artist should do after getting the momentum from a concert that big. He dropped his album NPT. That album is #1 in 11 countries, Caribbean territories, #1 in Jamaica. The album has a clean sweep on the singles chart, with all the singles charting in the top 20. From 1 to 10, it's all Alkaline on the Apple Music singles chart.
Skipper had a response to what Joe had to say last week, but Joe asked a question. Can dancehall new wave acts sell tickets despite their streams on topping YouTube charts in Jamaica?
If they can't, who will? Skipper has the #1 song on the #1 rhythm in Jamaica, WYFL. It went #1 for 8 non-consecutive weeks. He replaced that song at #1 this week with The Office. He is a leader of this new school. Now, how do you get the audience to appreciate him unless you put him on the stage? It's not going to magically happen. However, Skipper is doing the groundwork. You see him headlining small shows. That's how you build an audience. And I would advise Skipper do his own shows if he's not on these festivals, because that will build an audience that belongs to him.
But how do they translate when they're actually on stage?
It will translate because the same people who love the music and stream the music, we see them at parties like Sands. We see them at parties overseas. They're enjoying it. There is a market. That's a fallacy to think that they don't have a market ready to listen to them at a concert. Whatever the number is, it grows over time. Just like the veterans, they had to grow their audiences over time. Before the last 5 years or so, it was Amazura nightclub that was the premier venue in New York City. Now dancehall is in arenas. Multiple artists are doing arenas. So it takes time, and Skipper will get there if he stays consistent and keeps churning out hits and makes his catalog bigger over time.
So here what happened. As usual, thanks for watching. Come back on with a vibe, man. Come back on with a reasoning, man. And we would appreciate it if you give us a like and a subscribe so we can build the platform. Big up the old subscribers and big up all the new subscribers. Circle. I'm out.